Welcome to Crypto Hub. Ripple price prediction. The price may fall below the 70-cent support level. According to the daily chart, the Ripple price is showing signs of weakness, with the coin down by 2.51%, which reflects a reduction in the value of the cryptocurrency in the market. Meanwhile, if the bearish movement persists within the channel, the decline could become significant. However, because the Ripple price is moving in a negative direction, traders may expect the trend to continue heading lower as long as the price actions remain below the moving averages. A breakout to the upside, however, would serve to bolster the bulls' position and propel the price up to the resistance levels of 95 cents, $1 and $1.05. More importantly, any collapse might send the market into a negative scenario. If the price continues to fall, it is likely that the price will reach the support at 60 cents, 55 cents and 50 cents. Ripple's price against Bitcoin has not yet crossed beyond the top boundary of the channel, despite the fact that the coin is on its way to crossing below the 9-day simple moving average. However, if the selling pressure persists, the Ripple XRP may reach a new low in the near future. As of right now, the technical indicator RSI 14 is anticipated to cross below the 60-point level, indicating that the market is beginning to move in a negative direction. Ripple XRP is currently trading at 1980 SAT on the daily chart, and traders should expect close support at 1800 SAT and lower if the coin falls below the 9-day and 21-day moving averages. However, if the bullish movement occurs and the market breaks above the channel, traders may confirm that the market is in the midst of a bull run, with the nearest resistance levels possibly located at 2200 SAT and above. The jury says that the next ruling in the XRP lawsuit will be the biggest decision in the Ripple case. If Judge Netburn concludes in the end that the emails must be turned over, it'll be huge, attorney John Deaton said. Following the revelation of Ripple's 2012 legal memos, which provide advice on how to avoid treating XRP as a security in the eyes of the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC versus Ripple litigation is heated up in the recent days. However, when additional records are published, the lawsuit is expected to pick up steam in the following days again. Judge Sarah Netburn will soon be faced with the most significant decision in the history of Ripple, according to XRP holders' attorney John Deaton. As previously reported, the magistrate recently ruled on the deliberative process privilege DPP issue, granting Ripple a few victories that were enough to be considered a positive outcome for the defendants and XRP holders, as Bill Hinman's speech, as well as related notes and drafts, were not found to be privileged. The SEC then filed a petition for reconsideration as a plaintiff, claiming that was formerly referred to as personal opinion is now referred to as public guidance. Many people were surprised by the SEC's 180-degree turn in the aftermath of the case, but Magistrate Netburn will be the one to judge whether they were correct. With the SEC versus Ripple judgment on the horizon, John Deaton, the attorney representing over 65,000 XRP holders who have been awarded amicus curiae status in the case, has shared his thoughts on the decision, emphasizing how crucial it'll be for the case's conclusion. It's all about XRP versus Ethereum at this point. Judge Netburn's decision on the motion for reconsideration will be the most important decision in the Ripple case, the lawyer predicts. I say this because I don't believe the motion to strike the fair notice defense statement of rights is a substantial one, he continued, since the judge isn't deciding whether or not Ripple has fair notice, but simply whether or not it can defend it. The reconsideration request for the Hinman Ethereum speech relates to the 63 emails, including drafts and comments surrounding the Hinman speech. XRP routinely fought Ethereum for the number 2 crypto behind Bitcoin in January 2018. 6 months before the Hinman speech, XRP set an all-time high above $3, making it the world's second largest cryptocurrency, says the final version of the speech. XRP is not mentioned or alluded to in the final version. It's quite unlikely that XRP will not be mentioned in any of the 63 emails. What are the chances that someone in the email chain mentioned XRP at some point during the conversation? Someone in the email chain had the opportunity to pose a really sensible question, such as, what about XRP? It becomes quite unnatural to ask these questions if someone understands how Ethereum was generated and used, as well as how XRP was created and used. Attorney Wendy Moore, a partner at Perkins Coie, a law firm well versed in both Ethereum and XRP, inquired about the matter in one instance. To put it frankly, it's impossible not to be curious about Ethereum and XRP once you comprehend their principles. Joseph Grundfest, who assisted the Ethereum developers, explained why this was the case in a letter to the SEC, dated December 17, 2020. The attorneys from Perkins Coie, who represented both platforms, asked the same question. It's plausible to assume that one of those communications mentioned the cryptocurrency XRP. We know that a memo assessing whether XRP is a security was completed on June 13, 2018, and that it did not propose to be implemented. If this is correct, the fact that the hashtag XRP was mentioned in the email as valid defense. It will be a watershed event if Judge Netburn ruled that the emails must be turned over. Even if the SEC convinces her that the DPP protects the emails, she has the right to override the privilege and order the documents to be produced. If she declares the emails confidential but orders the SEC to release them, it's possible that XRP is mentioned and/or the material is truly exculpatory. If the judge believes the evidence is exculpatory and Ripple has no other way to obtain it other than through litigation, the judge may pierce the privilege. If she reverses her previous decision and concludes that the emails are privileged but does not breach the privilege, the emails, while advantageous to Ripple, are unlikely to be as substantial as we believe. Aside from any dispositive motions that may be filed, the reconsideration will be the most important judgment in the case. XRP is still getting pummeling on a daily basis, notwithstanding the recent bullish rise that occurred early in February. Investors in all risk-on markets continue to be concerned about Russia's invasion of Ukraine. For Ripple, a bullish breakthrough is a more accessible and credible prospect than for many other popular cryptocurrency exchanges. The price of Ripple XRP has experienced some major price swings recently. The price of XRP increased dramatically between January 22nd and February 9th, 2022. It is increased in value from a swing low of 55 cents to a swing high of 92 cents, showing an approximately 70% rise in value. On the other side, sellers reacted unfavorably to the rise on February 9th, and sellers retained control 12 days later. At the time of writing this article, XRP was trading at 75 cents a unit. The drop from 92 cents to 75 cents indicates an approximately 20% reversal from the gains seen in January and February. Despite the fact that the market looks to be cooling, there appears to be an increase in selling pressure. Bears are putting in a lot of pressure on XRP's daily Cayenne Sen, which is now trading at 75 cents. A flash dip towards 60 cents is likely if the Cayenne Sen fails to hold. Furthermore, the volume profile thins out and there is no more Ichimoku support until the bottom of the Ichimoku cloud, Senko Span A, at 69 cents, despite the fact that Senko Span A is squarely on an area of the volume profile with little to no involvement. Bulls must move fast and aggressively if they want to prevent bears from acquiring any further downward momentum. The first step in the process is to confirm support for the Cayenne Sen. After that, bulls will have to push hard and swiftly to break over 83 cents. Inside 83 cents are the Tenkan Sen daily closing price, the top of the Ichimoku cloud, Senko Span B, the most difficult and critical level in the Ichimoku method, and the volume point of control. The route to $1 will become much more manageable if bulls can achieve a breakout at or above 83 cents. A large number of short sellers will be caught in the crossfire, and a short squeeze would quickly put a stop to any rally. That was all. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more.